Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. This morning I'm going to fix this solo spray valve. Or at least I'm going to try to. It appears as though all I got to do is take off this cap and then I'll be able to see what's going on in there. See, the problem is when there's pressure on the tank, or even if the tank is full, and you could see that in some of my videos, it applies enough pressure so that this is leaking real bad. The other day I was doing the spray of the lawn, and this hose was sitting like right here, and I'm filling the tank, and you could see stuff squirting out of the nozzle, and that's not good. So let's take this off and see what we can see in there. It might just be plugged up with Captain and other stuff that I was spraying in the vineyard. Since this was used in the vineyard, I've rebuilt the pump because I believe the Captain damaged the pump, and now I use a diaphragm sprayer in the vineyard. So this would be the last thing that could be affected by that. I was spraying Captain and Mancozeb. Mancozeb is like a paste. You mix it with water, but if you don't shake it a whole lot, it can congeal and stuff. But I think the Captain is probably the problem. There might be some Captain packed in here. I don't know. We'll take this off and see what we see. Alright, I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can pry that out of there. Possibly it's the valve seat? I don't know. It seems to be just a mount for this spring here. It is very windy. Yeah, this doesn't seem to be moving. Possibly that's the problem. I believe I can pull this pin out and then take this handle off, and I should be able to see what's going on in there. And I need to rinse this stuff off. I'll just give this a good cleaning and rinse this out. It doesn't appear to be like loaded with anything, but there is residue in there. I'm going to take a brush to that, clean it all out, and then I'm going to use some plumber's grease on all this stuff, and I believe that should do it. Alright, let's get this rinsed off. Nothing. All right, problem solved. So that's all it was. If you're going to be doing this yourself, you just got to take this cap off, pull that spring out, and then take this pin out of this hinge right here, and then take the handle off, and then this just pops right out. Get everything nice and clean, take a brush on the inside, and then lube everything up. I just used a bit of Vaseline. You can use either Vaseline or plumber's grease. Plumber's grease, I believe, is silicone, but it looks just like Vaseline. So now this is working perfect again. It has a rebuilt cylinder and a nice clean valve here. If you're ever spraying wettable powders or any real thick stuff, even though you're mixing it up in the tank, it'll still gum stuff up. So make sure you clean that valve every once in a while, especially if it's sticking and it's spraying when you don't want it to. So if you want to see more fixes like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put it in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.